Hello everyone, here is Karam. In this tutorial, we will learn how to model PVC brusher pipes. From AUTOFLUID toolbar, select PVC pipe and then click on PVC pipe. Then select the network. We will select hydraulic and click OK. And then select cold water and the specification PVC brusher pipe and click OK. Then select the pipe size. So we will start with PVC 50 and click OK. Now right click and select from above and select a point here and go down. Then move to the right and then right click and select T. After that, continue from there and then go up and then go to the right. And right click and select upward. After that, you can click on pick up from 3 lines to continue. Select this object and then go down and then go to the right. Right click and select valving and select ball valve and select side and then click close and then move to the right and then right click and select downwards. Now to make a branch, click on PVC pipe one more time and select cold water and now select a smaller size, PVC for example 32 and click OK. Now right click and select branch connection and select the type of connection. We will select this one and then select a point from here and go up, and as you can see here the branch is done, and then go up and go to the right, then right click and then select upward. Now we will learn how to move, delete or modify an object. We have here from AUTOFLUID, select AUTOFLUID 10 and then you will see this, the main bar, and we have here this icon which is modify one object, and here we have move one object, and here we have delete one object. I will select this one, modify one object, and right click, choose the mode between delete or modify or move. I will select move and select this valve and then I will move it up to here. Another command which I can use, which is this, move one object. I will select this pipe and then drag it to here. Now we have reached the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another one. Goodbye.